In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Made in Frame badge on Framer website. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. The Made in Framer badge is a small branding label that can appear on sites built with Framer. Many creators prefer a clean, fully branded experience, so removing it is a common finishing touch. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Framer account and that you have the right permissions to edit the project. Also note that the option to control branding may depend on your plan and workspace. To begin, head over to framer.com using a modern browser. Logging in first helps the dashboard load your projects immediately. If you have multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the correct one so the right project shows up. Once you're on Framer, open the project for the site where you want to remove the badge. From the dashboard, select the site or project card to enter it. If you have several sites with similar names, double-check the site URL in the project overview so you're editing the intended one. It's best to work from the main site view rather than an individual page canvas, since the badge setting is a site-level preference. With your project open, look toward the top right of the interface and click Settings. This takes you to the project's configuration area. Here you'll find sections for your domain, publishing, performance, and branding. The option that controls whether the Framer badge shows is typically found within site-wide settings related to branding or appearance. If you see a control for the badge, this is where you choose how it behaves on the live site. If the option appears locked or unavailable, it may be tied to your plan or workspace permissions. In that case, confirm you're working in the correct workspace and review your subscription details. After reviewing your preferences in Settings, make sure to click Save. Saving writes the changes to your project configuration. Give it a moment to process. Depending on your setup, changes may reflect in your preview right away, while the public site may update after your next publish. If you want to be absolutely sure the change is live for visitors, open your site in a private or incognito window, or clear your cache before checking. If the badge still appears, revisit Settings to confirm your choice was saved, verify you're editing the right site, and ensure you have the necessary plan level. That's it. Quick, clean, and professional. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Framer.